GAT is?
What?
GAT. Y'all know how to twerk? I'm not telling you to.
She's pro.
She's a pro?
Yeah.
No, real shit.
Oh, she green
I'm
as
from
fuck.
LA. What the fuck? That this shit?
Yo, what's up?
What do YouTube? It's your boy Bright, back with a new video. Today, you know what I'm saying? Hellcat shopping. They're not gonna let me test drive it because it's inside here. Doubt it. But, oh, they let me test drive this shit. You know this is a good buy. I think it's a pretty good buy. It's $59 on the website. This shit like hard. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so beautiful. I always wanted red seats. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. I want a red interior car so bad. Then when I had the Durango, when I got the Durango, before I got my Durango, I put the camera right here and I sat there and talked to y'all, saying like I couldn't afford this shit because I only got no job, I quit my job. It's like I'm manifesting this shit, I'm gonna drive this shit, I'm gonna love this shit, I'm just gonna keep elevating, you know what I'm saying? Red key, you know what I'm saying? With a red key type shit. Oh my gosh.
Give me a good ride. Oh yeah, bro. This is
My car looks slow.
Oh, what you got?
I got a Durango SRT.
Oh yeah. Yours is nice, but this is faster, a little bit more. Yeah.
That's
It got some torque too.
But this
They got some torque too.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I think I found love. This is what love feels like.
There's a couple always over here somewhere. It's no, it's not there. Okay, we're good.
We're good?
Park over there under the tree all the time.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get controversial. Alright, are men and women equal?
No, you are. Yeah, equal? Yeah. Why not? No. I mean, in friends,
Like, what is more?
your salary of the month. So yeah, it's not the same. Like the girls are less paid.
Okay.
Yeah, it's complicated. I don't want to be like, oh, we're the same or whatever. We also have.
That shit is fast.
I mean, I want to be like realistic. You know, I think that both need each other.
Oh, Miami!
Look at Miami!
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
How y'all doing? You're not interested in nothing. How you know I want something? What makes you think that you can give me something? It's time to put bitches in their place in 2023. You got a boyfriend? Wow.
No, I'm single.
You said the question is what? How many boyfriends she
How
has?
many boyfriends she has?
Wait, so why you throwing her under the bus? That's your friend.
No, I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness. Listen, you know what the GAT is?
What?
GAT.
Yeah.
Like GAT.
No, we're not from here, bro.
Oh. So alright, so listen. For instance, if somebody walk past you and say GAT, that means you look good. Can I be on your roster?
On my roster? Yep.
Fucking go. Yo, can I get your number? Nigga, man.
I'm such a
What
baller.
save it as?
I just called my phone.
I know y'all put it on the small camera. Y'all trying to put it on the big camera? Like, what's up? We out here, what's up? Y'all already know the vibe. You feel me? Like, we really, oh my gosh. They call us the booty cam. The booty cam. No booties. We love. Yeah, that's a real ass right there. You know we. Look at that. Damn. Come on, y'all. Come on, you.
Go to fuck find someone else titties out.
But we want you. You perfect. You got run from her? Yo, y'all trying to take a shot? Take a
I'm trying to take a shot with my own bottle. A fifth in my head. Bro, do you think about what you saying? Take a shot of your own shit. Shit. Like, you really be talking, but think about what you saying. No, real shit. I'm from LA. What the fuck? Deck this shit up.
Yo, what's up, bro? Nigga, I ain't going lie. Nigga, I'm like, oh, shit. Where you from? Oh, shit, that's the man.
Exactly. No, buy your shit. I even tell you.
Wait, that nigga, he is getting paid, you know what I'm saying?
He doing his shit.
I fuck with you.
Anybody that's throwing ass, go fuck with your ass.
What's your name?
Jenny.
Now you gotta be in it, cause
Alright, how old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay, what you doing in Miami?
Here, I live here.
Do you live out here?
Yes. No, I was born in Cuba.
How long are you here?
7 years.
Okay, so you speak 2 different languages.
I speak Spanish también. Hablo español también.
What the?
También hablo español. I speak English. I speak Spanish too.
What did you say though?
I speak Spanish too.
Okay. Alright, so what you doing out here tonight?
I'm just with my friend, you know, having fun. I guess.
What's the freakiest thing you did out here since you live out here?
The freakiest thing? Do it in a car, right? No? Maybe?
Balcony, on the car, public, somewhere,
Balcony?
somewhere public.
No. Somewhere public?
Yeah.
Here?
I'm not crazy.
Here?
Here?
Yeah, yeah.
At what, wait, come back, wait, at what time?
A long time ago.
No, I'm saying like what time, in the morning, nighttime? Like,
Nighttime.
wait, you was there? Of course. Wait, you was there? She know too, she know the details.
360?
I did.
money.
Go to burn.
Damn, I fucked up. I got two.
I did like 10 before we put out the camera. I'm tired now though.
Not gonna lie, the mic did mess up here, but I'm gonna talk for y'all because y'all see what's going on here. This is a whole lot of plastic going on, but plastic bodies matter too. You know what I'm saying? They matter too. Drop a like.
This shit is 2 minutes away.
Niggas is really caked up. We in the car. Is it recording?
Yeah.
What time is it?
I don't know, bro.
4:18. We gotta get some
It's
help.
14 in the morning, bro. Niggas not getting no bitches, y'all.
Alright, so midnight
But we
check.
not gonna pull up on these one bitches, bro. Matter of fact, let's do a late night mukbang with these bitches in the car for a video. Yeah, them bitches is pop.
Fat bitch can sit on my lap.
Says you can sit on your face.
She can sit on my lap right here.
Bro, yo, see, oh God, I'm recording this shit right now, bro. Yes, look, bro. Bro, she's gonna crush you, bro.
I'll do it.
What happened?
I'll do it.
I don't know.
Bro, nigga been trying to figure out what the fuck going on. If ain't shit going on, nigga, I'm out, nigga. I ain't with that fuck shit, nigga.
That's what I'm saying, like we try to figure that shit out, bro. But that shit not straight.
Ain't figuring shit out, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. Fuck pussy, bitch, pussy, bitch, pussy, fuck, nigga, fuck shit, fuck pussy, fuck, bitch, fuck, bitch, fuck, bitch, fuck.
We gonna fold you when we get to West Palm.
Fuck, bitch, pussy.